Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you the newest build of my crack.com reader. About a week ago I put this up for open beta, and now I'm going to show you some of the features which I've implemented using some of the feedback I got from that. So probably most obviously that most people will be able to tell it's different is I now actually have a craptions section, which hopefully should load in a second. There we go. And this gets you all the craptions from 2010 all the way back till 2006. It looks like it's still rendering them all. There we go, 2006. So that's probably the biggest feature that most people will spot straight away. I've also added a settings and about pages. So about obviously is all about me and the other apps that I do. If I go into settings, you can see two of the features that people wanted were to be able to read the article in landscape mode and to be able to show the status panel always. By default I always have it hidden because the theme that I use is an override, so whether you're using the dark or the light theme you'll always get this light look to it, which uses the crack.com colours. Forget Facebook and Twitter details, they're kind of a no-brainer, had to be implemented, which weren't there before. So if I go into one of the articles, first thing is these are inactive by default whilst the article actually loads. You can't really see in the video here, but there is a loading bar. If you watch the other video you'll be able to see that. So they've become active now that the video is now the article is actually loaded. The icon used for Internet Explorer here to go there, it has been redrawn as well, so it looks a little bit nicer than before. The button for favorites, that was a bit loud. Favorites has obviously been spelt the American way now, which was one of the other things I got asked to do, so you've got that. If I go to sharing in this looks a little bit closer to what you see when you share an image from the Pictures Hub, but obviously due to the fact that Twitter and Facebook have messages inside them, so if I click on Twitter you have the message there, which is tinyurl of the link, the title and a hashtag of cracked. You've still got 59 characters to write in that. I'm not going to bother with that. Facebook I believe is very similar, it's just the title and that posts a link to the wall. So they work. I can send by SMS and email, which are built into Windows operating system already. So I'm just going to leave those. If I go back, oh actually if I go back into the article while this loads, a couple of things that I've added were the ability to save an image. So if I like this picture I can just long press on this, and the ability to save that into my Pictures Hub. So if I save that, that's actually just been saved. I can go back to, if I get out of here and I go back to my Pictures Hub, which is, here we go, Pictures Hub, there we go, that's the picture, and that's the picture from the article I've saved. So if I go back into the app itself, the other thing that I added, which if I go back to one of the photoplasty articles, which is everything operating on Rube Goldberg logic, there is some GIFs in that which are animated, and animated GIFs are not actually baked into the Windows Phone operating system by default. So let me just find that, there we go. They do take a few extra seconds to load up, but they do actually work at the same time. So here we go. It's, I think number 18 is actually an animated GIF, and you should see that in a few seconds. Oops. Hopefully, there we go. So animated GIFs are now supported in this as well. And last of all, one of the things that I wanted to add in after having a quick look was the ability to watch YouTube videos. So if I go to this article, this is one of the few ones that I know actually does have YouTube videos in, so give this a few seconds to load. Before I used to just have an image which said videos are not available in this app, Now, video articles still aren't available because Windows Phone doesn't support full flash just yet. They will be eventually, I believe, but for the time being, it's obviously not in there. Now, obviously this is from YouTube, so I can just click on this and it'll take me straight to YouTube video. Okay, so that's obviously it working. And here we go, back to the app, which is brilliant. And that's pretty much everything that I've done to change it. And hopefully, as long as I don't find any more bugs or any problems with this, you should see this in the Zune marketplace very soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope you keep an eye on this.